When I asked CG's former flower people who should receive the award this year, there was one name that showed up in everyone's response. It wasn't surprising. As a founding team member, this person has been an integral part of CG's journey, bringing light and color to our campus from the start. These flowers are big and small, advocating to ensure more students of color can access your AP course, bringing laughter to advisory through spa days, coaching cross country to make sure more girls join the team, spending countless hours using your aesthetic skills to ensure dances and graduations look flawless, supporting math instruction at other campuses in the network, and advocating for educators at the state level. This year's flower person at CG High School is Sarah Seaman. You show up each day with energy and joy, bringing your whole and authentic self to school. Your instruction has led to a series of students at CG who see themselves as capable mathematicians, no matter their backgrounds or future careers. Your impact at CG will be felt for years to come, and we are so grateful you are a Hornet. Congrats.